Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. I welcome you all in our second lecture of English grammar. Students, this is me, Umar Farooq Sumro, and in as our previous lecture, we learned about types of sentences, about the structure of sentences. After learning the types of sentences and the structure of sentences, I gave you some homework question. The homework was based on two questions. First one was do as directed, and the second one was translation of sentences. So dear students, today we are starting our lecture of English grammar from basic. Basically, we just want to strong or to make our building very strong. A building can be made more stronger if its basic or if its basic structure is strong. So basically we have to start our lecture from grammar. Okay students, grammar is based on rules and regulations. Grammar is based on rules and regulations, and the rules and regulations are divided into 8 parts. The rules and regulations on which grammar is based are divided into 8 parts. As all of you know, there is a rule for every single thing. For example, if you want to drive a car, you must check out that is everything fine with the car, is the engine full of petrol, or everything is okay. Then you have to start it and drive it. As like the car, grammar also has its rules and regulations, and the rules and regulations are called parts of speech that are divided into 8 parts. So the names of these parts are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb. It is not verb, it is verb, or will be read as normal or calmly. Verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction, interjection. Students, I have heard from many of you boys that they do not pronounce it clearly. Many students do not pronounce this word that I am pointing here on your screen clearly. They pronounce it conjunction or conjunction. So it is not conjunction or conjunction, it is conjunction. Okay, it is conjunction. Noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. We will read all about these parts of speech respectively. So first of all, we have noun. Okay, so actually the word noun is taken from Latin language word nomen. Are you getting the point? Good. Actually, the word noun is taken from Latin language word nomen, which clearly means name. Means the actual definition of noun is name. So, as according to it, we can say that name of anything is called noun. Okay students, you can see many things with your eyes at home, at school, at the park, at market, at many places. You can see many things with your eyes. Each thing that you watch with your eyes is called noun. Because if you have something in your hand, like this, I am showing you the example here. What is in my hand? Good, pen or marker. So I have this thing that whose name is marker. So this thing also have its name. The thing that I have pointing out here is in white color. This white color, this thing that has its white color is called page. It means that I can see many things with my eyes, and each thing that I will watch or see with my eyes can be called as noun. Okay, but there are such things that we cannot see or touch, but we can feel them only by the sense. that type of noun or subtype of noun will be described in our upcoming lectures. Okay, so students, noun is name of anything, or name of anything is called noun, or noun is a naming word, or noun is the name of a person, a place, animal, or anything. All these are the definitions of a noun, which clearly defines that name of anything can be called noun. As I have written here some examples for you: book, pen, bag, copy, color, chair. These things are available in your classroom and also at home. Some other examples that I am writing here are Azhar, Alia, Shafi, Hassan, Ramsha, etc. Names of the students in classroom can also be called as nouns. Okay, so as students, it clearly defines that name of anything can be called noun. Okay, किसी भी चीज़ के नाम को हम नाउन कहते हैं. जैसे मैंने आपको समझाया कि आप अपनी आँखों से जो चीज़ देख सकते हैं उसे नाउन कहेंगे. क्यों? कि अगर आप घर पे बैठे हुए हैं और आपके सामने एक चीज़ है जिस पे आप ड्रामा देख रहे हो, मूवी देख रहे हो, या कार्टून्स देख रहे हो या कुछ, तो आप इस चीज़ को टीवी कहते हैं. अगर आपके पास इस टाइप की कोई चीज़ जो मेरे अपने हाथ में है तो आप इसे पेन या मार्कर कहोगे. ये चीज़ जो मैंने यहाँ पर वाइट कलर में रखी है, आप इसको पेज कह सकते हो. तो जो भी चीज़ आप अपनी आँखों से देख सकते हो, इससे आप नाउन यानी इस्म कह सकते हो, जिसकी मतलब है नाम. Okay, students, we will discuss about subtypes of noun in our upcoming or next lecture. For you now, the homework is you have to memorize the names of parts of speech. Also, memorize the meaning and definition of noun. Why have I written here memorize the meaning and definition of noun? Because one of the definition and the second one is the meaning of noun. This is the meaning of the noun and this is the definition of the noun, which you have to memorize properly. Okay, dear students, I am repeating your homework and I am showing it on your screen that you are watching clearly. You have to memorize the names of 8 parts of speech. Also memorize the meaning and definition of noun. We will meet in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.